To build a brighter future for ourselves, we need to invest for our future. Astrea 9 PE bonds are private equity bonds you can consider investing in. Astrea 9 PE bonds provide the opportunity to invest in investment-grade bonds. But first, what is private equity or PE? It is an asset class where investments are made by PE funds in private companies, with the intention of growing the companies and selling at a profit. And what are Astrea 9 PE bonds? When you invest in an Astrea 9 PE bond, you are lending to Astrea 9, the issuer, for a period of time. Astrea 9 is a company that owns a portfolio of 40 PE fund investments, which are managed by reputable fund managers and worth a total of $1.6 billion. Astrea 9 then issues bonds that are backed by cash flows from these PE funds. These bonds are expected to be investment grade rated. 3 classes of bonds will be issued. Retail investors can subscribe to either Class A1 bonds or Class A2 bonds, or both. The Class A1 bonds are denominated in Singapore dollars with the following coupon rate. The Class A2 bonds are denominated in US dollars with the following coupon rate. Both Class A1 bonds and Class A2 bonds have a scheduled call date 5 years after issuance. How safe are the Astrea 9 PE bonds? The portfolio is made up of 40 PE fund investments, invested in a diversified portfolio of over 1,000 companies across many sectors. This helps to minimize the impact on your investment if any fund or company performs poorly. Astrea 9 also has inbuilt certain safeguards to mitigate risks in your investment. For instance, we reserve cash for repaying bondholders. For both Class A1 bonds and Class A2 bonds, cash is reserved in installments every 6 months. There are also triggers in place to lower debt levels. This occurs when the Class A total net debt limit crosses 50% and when the Class A and Class B PIK total net debt limit crosses 55%. Astrea 9 can borrow from a bank to pay your interest if there is a cash flow shortfall. However, all investments carry risks. Typical bond investment risks include issuer's default, changes in market interest rates, inflation, and liquidity, among others. There are also risks specific to private equity investments that affect cash distributions. For more information on the offering and the risk factors, please read our prospectus. The prospectus relating to the offering is available for collection at the following banks during their opening hours. Anyone wishing to acquire the securities will need to make an application in the manner set out in the prospectus. You can apply for Astrea 9 Class A1 bonds and Class A2 bonds through the following means. Please apply before the public offer closes. Invest for your future today.